I'm Dr. Prem Kumar, scientist representing Global Life Sciences, and I have done PhD in Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University, Hyderabad. And this product, we are with a group of scientific committee, we have developed this ProRelax product. From the past 2 years, we have done research activities on this product, and now this product has been developed because to reduce all mankind stress. And this is a natural proteins which we are used to develop this product. This product contains all multiminerals, vitamins, and natural proteins like alpha lipoic acid, beta glucan, and we have beta lactalbumin. And these proteins have been extracted from the natural sources and from like fruits and vegetables. And this gives you complete relaxation to our human brains. And actually when the product, how it is works is that means when we involve in the activities, different activities, now that mankind has become a challenging things, day to day activities. So we have to do a multiple task in a particular task given time. We have to do multiple things of activities. So this makes us to increase our burden and increases us pressure in our brain. And because of these pressures developed in our brain, we develop stress. The thing is called as stress. This all is being developed because of our body. When we are responding to our multiple activities, the neurotransmitters will become very active. So these neurotransmitters increases our chronic stress. This we call as a chronic stress in clinically. And when because of these neurotransmitters, we found out one neurotransmitter which is called as serotonin, which controls all this neurotransmission works has been done through that only. This serotonin content will increase in our body when there is a high pressure is being developed in our brain. Because this serotonin level is been, because of that high pressure is been developed, the chronic stress is been enlarged. Since the chronic stress has been developed, the serotonin level in the brain will gradually get decreased. This being controlled by our carbohydrate component called L-tryptophan. This tryptophan controls the serotonin concentration in the brain and keeps all the precursors. This is the precursor for our serotonin component. So when we lack, or when there is a high stress is being developed, there is a lack of L-tryptophan, and there is a very low serotonin is available to the brain. So this particular product has beta lactalbumin, gives it is a 48% of your L-tryptophan is there. When we are in stress, if you take this product, that product will gives you in the body, it makes into the brain, and it goes into our deep into intestine, and it is get absorbed into our intestine, and the brain serotonin level will increase up to 40 to 48%. Because of that serotonin level, it increases in the body. Normally our activities, even as normally we can do, multiple activities can be done normally. You don't want to have a different we don't want to develop any stress in that one. So this is a wonderful molecule, and this has been approved by FDA, and this is a patented molecule.